Okay, guys, this is just a quick video on how to add indicators to your RSI on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So generally, people, what they would do is they would have indicators placed on the RSI, um, and then they would have moving averages on their main chart. So what I'm going to show you today is how to actually add the moving average to your RSI. And this is one of the strategies that I use, to find out where the market is overbought or oversold. And it generally gives me nice entries. And this is one of my winning strategies when trading volatility, when trading Forex, when trading NASDAQ. So what you want to do first is you want to have your chart opened up like this, of course. And don't worry, for the guys that are on cell phone, I'll also do a video just explaining how to do that as well on your cell phone. So definitely check the YouTube channel to see that video as well. So what you first want to do is you want to select, insert, go to the top left-hand corner, and go to indicators, right? And then when you add indicators, you want to go to oscillators, okay? And then you want to go to RSI, okay? And then this is going to pop up. Okay, so you want to make sure your levels here are 10. The first level is 10. Your second level is 90. And then your third level is 50. Okay, for 10, what you want to have written at the description is sell. And at 90, you want to have buy. And then at 50, you want to have relax or take profit. Okay, I have relax, bitch, take profit, because generally when the market is at that point, it's a point where you don't want to get in, or either you want to scale into more trades. So that's how you have it. So you can set it up like that. You can set it up to any colors you want. You can set it to gold, pink, blue, whatever. It's up to you. And then just make sure that it's at the highest thickness you can get it on. It's at the highest thickness you can get it on, okay? And then one last thing you want to do is you want to go to parameters, okay? And then make sure it's on 1. Make sure it is on 1, okay? And then you just press okay. Okay, and then you see it shows up just like that. Okay, there's no line, there's nothing. We have our sell sign here, we have our buy signal there, and then we have our take profit point here in the middle. Okay, so now how do you add the moving averages to this? So generally what people do is if you press indicators and you go to trend and then you say moving average, and then just for example, let me add this indicator here. You see what it does? It goes to my main chart. So we don't want that to happen. So what we want to do is indicator, okay, and then you want to press Control and N at the same time, and then this navigator here is going to open. Okay, once that navigator is open like that, you want to select your trend. Okay, and then go to moving average. Hold the moving average and then drag it on top of your RSI. Drag it on top of your RSI just like that. Kaboom. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys the levels that I have written down here. And these are the levels that I use. Okay, so the first one is a 2. You put the period 2. It's at close, EMA. I'm going to make my line light pink. I'll just make it red so that you guys can see it. Okay, that's the first line. You can see it shows up there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same again. We're going to drag the moving average and put it onto our RSI again. And our second level is going to be 3, but it's going to be simple. Okay, and you want to add it. Okay, and then our third level, we're going to drag the moving average to the RSI. Our next level is going to be 5, and then you're going to make sure it's EMA, exponential moving average. and then you press OK, and then you want to drag it again, and then you want to add 6, and then exponential moving average, and then OK. You're going to drag it again. Now we're going to change up the numbers. We're going to make it a 50 moving average, and then we can change the color, make it blue. Okay, and then we add it, and you see, and we're going to do that again, and then next level 100. Okay, and then we're going to add it, and then the last level we're going to add is the 300. But this is not going to be exponential. You're going to go to linear weighted. Go to linear weighted, and where it says apply to close, we're going to say apply to weighted close. Okay, and then press OK. Kaboom. So the strategy is pretty simple, guys. But first you need to understand your basics of support and resistance. Okay, so just to mark up a little support and resistance here, just for you guys. Okay, there's our support, there's our resistance, and then we have another resistance up here. Okay, so generally what you want to do is you want to try and get those signals on the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so as you can see, when price was down here, this was your opportunity to buy in. Oh, sorry, it's a sell here. We're supposed to switch that upside down. Okay, so 10 has to be buy, and then 90 has to be sell. Okay, we'll just fix that. So you see, when the red line came to this yellow line down at this 10 level, that was our opportunity to buy. And when price comes up to this level here, that's an opportunity to sell, guys. So the strategy is pretty simple, but you also need to have your technical analysis in play so that when you use this, you can identify the perfect points of support and resistance, because sometimes this thing can lag. It could be oversold, but you could be at a level of resistance and it breaks through that level. So you always want to have your levels in place and not just take a trade blindly. Okay, so guys, that's the video. Pretty simple how to do it. If you want to learn more on how to trade, want to get signals from us, mentorship from us, definitely do contact us. I've left our details below, and we'll definitely show you the ropes in terms of strategies, literally the foundation of the education you need to become a successful trader, not just in volatility, but in Forex, stocks, the whole market in general. We have so much to offer that, I won't even be able to cover it in this video. So definitely, please, guys, please subscribe to the video. Please subscribe to the video. Leave a like, leave a comment of what you want to see next. And I'll be definitely happy to share more content onto this channel. So thank you, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.